In today's video, we'll discuss whether you can afford a $600,000 property in Toronto or its surrounding areas as a first-time buyer. We'll break down the total cost, including closing costs, so buckle up and get your popcorn ready. In Canada, when purchasing a property, the minimum down payment required is 5% for the first $500,000 of the purchase price. 10% for the portion above $500,000 up to $1,500,000. Note: for properties over $1.5 million, the minimum down payment is 20%. If your down payment is less than 20%, you'll also need to pay for Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation mortgage insurance. Additionally, first-time homebuyers, whether purchasing a resale home or pre-construction property, may qualify for a 30-year mortgage amortization period. For example, if you're purchasing a $600,000 property with the minimum down payment, here's how it breaks down. $25,000, 5% of the first $500,000, $10,000, 10% of the remaining $100,000. Total minimum down payment required, $35,000, plus closing costs. We'll cover closing costs in detail later in this guide. We're breaking down monthly payments and closing costs next. The total monthly cost for a $600,000 property with a minimum down payment, $35,000, is approximately $2,800. This includes mortgage loan insurance premium, $23,730, added to your mortgage and amortized over 30 years. HST on the mortgage insurance premium. Disclaimer: this is a rough estimate for educational purposes only. Rates and calculations may vary based on lender terms, interest rates, and other factors. Consult a mortgage professional for personalized advice. In addition to your mortgage payment, you'll need to budget for these monthly expenses. Property taxes. Approximately $4,000 annually, $333 per month. But this varies significantly based on location, property size, and municipal rates. Utilities, including water, hydro, gas, and internet, typically around $350 per month, though this depends on usage and household size. Home insurance. Fire, property insurance averages about $100 per month, with costs varying by property size and coverage. I hope you found this video helpful. Before we dive into closing costs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate insights. I'm Yasir Khan, a Toronto real estate agent with 15+ years of experience, ready to assist with all your property needs. Let's connect and make your real estate journey a success. Now, let's discuss closing costs, starting with land transfer tax. For a $600,000 property purchase as a first-time home buyer, Toronto purchases, you'll pay two land transfer taxes: Ontario Land Transfer Tax and Toronto Municipal Land Transfer Tax. Outside Toronto, you only pay the Ontario Land Transfer Tax first-time buyer rebate. You're eligible for rebates on both taxes, if applicable, which your lawyer will apply during closing to reduce your upfront costs. Here's a detailed breakdown of your estimated closing costs for a $600,000 property. Land transfer tax. Toronto, $8,475, after first-time buyer rebates. Outside Toronto, $4,475, after Ontario rebate, legal fees. $1,500, $2,500, lawyer fees, additional closing costs. Approximately $2,000, disbursements, title search, execution search, other administrative fees. For personalized calculations and expert advice, contact Yasir Khan, your Toronto real estate agent. Disclaimer: this information provides rough estimates for educational purposes only. Actual costs may vary based on lender terms, interest rates, and market conditions. Please consult a mortgage professional for advice specific to your situation. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and happy house hunting.